Alright guys, so back day 6. We're pretty much done with the truck. All we're gonna do today is just start assembling the things that we took off, which is the back lights. What else did we take off? These plastics that go on here, the front lights, just anything that we didn't take off, we're gonna start putting back on. Alright guys?
What's going on? You guys are done?
Yeah, we're already done with the F-150. This one, honestly, it took quite some work, but we got it done. And the bed liner before, it just looked really dull. Now that we sprayed it on, it just looks really nice. Take a look.
Not bad, guys. That color choice that the customer picked is spot on.
Looks really nice.
Let's go around.
Guys, so that's it for this video. We're done with it. It came out really nice.
And guys, remember, email us with your photos and your vehicle, and we'll try to answer as much as we can, give you the estimate. And thank you guys for your support. Thanks for staying tuned, and just like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Alright guys, so the video of the F-150 was kind of short. So what you guys are going to do is, they get a lot of comments and questions from the people from YouTube. And we printed out a few of them, and you guys are going to take a whack at it and see if they could answer them. So here we go, guys.
So hi there guys. First question. Well, first we're going to begin with Mr. J. Anthony Martinez. His question was, when using a tintable Raptor, what type of color do you use? Is there a specific brand? Well, Mr. Anthony, we buy our paint from O'Reilly's. We always buy the brand Nason base coat. That one is really good. We usually tend to ask the customers if we can buy the paint for them, because if they go out and buy the paint for them, they'll probably just get one that has enamel, and that we cannot use in a Raptor at all. So always recommend the Nason base coat. All right, guys.
Alright guys, so Mr. Anthony's second question was, would applying a clear coat on a finished coat give the Raptor a shine to it? Absolutely not, guys. If you guys do spray the clear coat on the Raptor coat, you're gonna eventually it's gonna start flaking off, and you don't want that, because on the F-150 that we just did, they did that to it, and through time it started flaking off and it will look really nasty. So what you guys want to do is go to U-Paul, buy a clear coat that says U-Paul clear coat, get a Raptor, bottle Raptor, pour it in it, pour 3 ounces of it, and then shake it for 2 minutes. Then when you guys are done shaking it for 2 minutes, add the hardener, shake it for another 2 minutes, and as soon as you guys are done, shoot the Raptor, and that's pretty much it, because the clear coat of U-Paul, it's already in the Raptor, and it will give the shine to it while spraying on the vehicle. So,
Alright guys.
Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is give a shout out to Mr. Nightmare Mike. He's been one of our first subscribers since we ever started this YouTube channel, and we're grateful for him for being there for us every step of the way. And just shout out to you, Mr. Nightmare Mike. Appreciate it.
Alright guys, thank you, Mr. Nightmare Mike. Shout out to you. So next question we have from Mr. Dre Mex. His question was, hey, y'all didn't tell us how the barbecue was.
Oh, the fucking barbecue. Alright, yeah. Tell us about that shit.
Well, I mean, the barbecue was good. Just went and hang out with our friends, and we ate a lot.
You had a good time.
Had a really good time.
What did you eat? What the fuck's going on?
Chicken.
Yeah, just chicken, ribs.
Just fajita.
Yeah.
Or did you dance?
No, we didn't dance.
Oh, it's not that kind of barbecue.
No, it's not
oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Alright guys, so the next shout out goes out to Mr. Alfred Early. he is one of our really positive subscribers. He just mainly helps us out on like staying positive and just blocking out any of the negative things people have to say about us. So shout out to you, Mr. Alfred. Thank you for all your support and your positivity. Shout out to you. Alright guys, so next question.
Alright guys, so this is from Mr. Rogelio Gonzalez. What are your plans for the future when it comes to Raptor? Are you all planning to make this as a career? And honestly, Mr. Rogelio Gonzalez, we don't know yet. We're still in high school and we're just trying to keep our grades up as much as we can. And honestly, we don't know if we're gonna make this as a career. But if we get to that point to make this as a career, then we probably will. But we're just doing it for fun because we liked it. We like it and we just have fun together.
Yeah, we just have fun together doing it.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so we have one more question from Mr. Rogelio Gonzalez. The question is, how did y'all start everything and how did you get your first customers? Well, Mr. Rogelio, the way we started is actually we were very interested in the Raptor liner. And so we started watching videos online on YouTube, and we got this Dodge Ram that was supposed to be mine. And we were first going to start off with a Rhino liner, but then we just decided to stick with the Raptor, as you can see. And it just comes out really nice. And well, the way we started is we went out on the streets and we would ask people if they would like for us to do their vehicle. We gave them our card or information, anything they can contact with for them allowing us so we can do their vehicle. But I don't think they went for it since how young we look. I don't think they would.
And for example, guys, earlier today, me and him went to go to O'Reilly's to go buy paint, but unfortunately they ID'd us.
They ID'd me.
Yeah, because they think we're too young.
We're too young.
So
then we started off. We went to an auction and we won this Chevy Suburban, which had a bunch of damage, hail damage, had a lot of body work to get done to it. And well, we did all the body work. We wrapped it, made it look really nice, and then we took videos and pictures of the process and we posted it on the YouTube channel. And then that's how we got our first customer, which was Mr. Israel with his F-150. And now we really don't need to worry about customers because, as you can see, we've proven ourselves that we can actually do it from all these videos that you guys have seen. And now we just get a bunch of emails of people wanting us to do their vehicle for them every day.
alright guys, so our next question is from Mr. DieselRick915. His question is, can you please show us how to add the color and at what PSI level do you shoot at? So let me show you. Let me grab some paper. Alright guys, so every Raptor kit comes with a measuring cup, and as you can see, we already measured the 4 ounces right here. So what I'm going to do right now is teach you how to add the color. And every time there's color left, guys, we always store in one of these containers. And as you can see, this one's called Toyota 1E3, and that's the color code. And I'm just going to shake it real quick. So I'm just going to open it. And I'm just going to add the color at the 4 ounces. Guys, and just dump it in here. And you're just gonna shake it for about 2 minutes. That's pretty much it. So once you guys done shaking it for about 2 minutes, just grab your hardener, and as you can see right here, there's a line on the measuring, and that's for the hardener. So just pour it onto the line, dump it again into the Raptor, shake it for about 2 minutes, and you're ready to shoot the Raptor. So that's pretty much easy. It's so easy, guys. So yeah.
Alright guys, so we got this one last shout out. This guy, he's from Edinburgh and his name is Alex. He's in this phlebotomy class, which he thinks he's gonna pass, but you have a really hard instructor, so
Best wishes to you.
best wishes to you.
So,
alright guys, this is gonna wrap it up. Thank you all for all your support, and just like and subscribe, guys.
yeah, he ain't gonna pass.
Yeah, good.
Be
Good luck to
careful.
Mr. Alex.